Hello everyone. Today I want to use Antigravity and create a Chrome plugin, right, to use it in my Chrome browser. So what feature I want to use is to extract all the latest news updates from all the AI companies, and I also wanted that to include the feeds from LinkedIn, Twitter, and any news related to AI basically, and also the sentiment associated to the news, whether it is a positive or negative on a job market. So as you can see, I just put on that particular prompt, and it asked me some follow-up question whether I want to use any specific API to get connection to the Twitter or LinkedIn, but I have asked them I don't have it, so use it aggregated RSS news feed like Google News or Yahoo News. It will implicitly use. And also for job sentiment, also I've asked them to use a generic keyword matching approach that doesn't need any API. So based on that, when I gave the feedback, it created some of the code files. So if I show you what are code files it has created, yeah, so it had created on my local machine, and you can see all the respective JavaScript files, CSS files, and the any HTML file, right? They all are being created through the system by the agent itself. And if I look on the task, right, it has given me the task on the AI News Sentiment Chrome extension. So it has given me some work which I need to do. For example, if I need to how they have extracted the different details, right? And also on the walkthrough, if you see what all the task it has completed, right? The manifest files, background files, HTML file, right? JavaScript file, everything is created, and also given me steps how I can use it. So I can open the Chrome, I can go to the extension, toggle on the developer tool, load, unpack, and I can just align it to a respective folder, and I can see my extension, right? And also they have given me a tip that I can modify the keyword inside the background.js function if you need to refine it further. And this is more from sentiment perspective what it has given me. So I have followed these steps, right? So let me show you here. I have gone to manage extensions, right? And let me remove this and show you again. So if I go to, it is already in developer mode. If I go to load and pack, and I go to the specific folder, select the folder, extension loaded. So if I just maybe close this, go to a new tab and go to the extension, yeah, here it is. I can see this. So if I click in here, I can see some of the news here. So if I go there, I can see some of the news here. Google says AI powered ad, some brands left online by 80%. I can see those news. Similarly, I had used another prompt to create another agent where I wanted to see the technical news. So, and I also wanted to, here I have specifically pointed it to the GitHub, and I wanted to some of the news. I tried to do it through others, but yeah, I mainly focus it on the agentic AI products and the GitHub. So if I see, I can see that this is the recent one published related to agentic AI, and if I can go here, I can see what was recently published, and this is very helpful actually, right? What is being done, what is coming up, what is being deployed. Similarly, I had used another tool to compare the price and analyze the feature of a product, and extract and find the optimal price of the product. So price hunter plugin, if I click in here, I compare price. I can, yeah. So currently, if I see, if I click on the flip guard, it is showing me best. So I can see it's same feature product but a cheaper price, right? So that's all some plugins I had created for learning purpose, which is kind of helping. It's all being done through Antigravity, where I have provided the prompt, and it has gave me the different code extensions, and I have used it to unload and use it for my daily learning purposes. I hope you had liked the video. Thank you.